Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter from class 9, that is expansion. First, we recap all the formula we learned in the previous classes and we discuss all the formula which is going to help you to solve the problem of this chapter. I advise you to learn the formula and memorize this. It will help you to solve the problem not only in this chapter, because the application of this chapter will find it useful in some other chapter also. So let us begin this chapter. Now the first three formula which we used frequently in our previous classes is a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We get this formula by multiplying a plus b 2 times. Second formula is a minus b square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third formula is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now using this formula we derive two other formula. Now see, if I keep these two terms, that is a square plus b square on one side and take this 2ab on the other side, so we get a square plus b square is equal to a plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? So if you remember this formula, you can easily derive this formula. Same way, if I keep a square and plus b square on one side, so a square plus b square is equal to, now take this minus 2ab on the other side, so we get plus 2ab, so the formula will be a minus b square plus 2ab. Now if you see, so we have two formulas of a square plus b square. One in terms of, this is the formula in terms of a plus b, and this is the formula in terms of a minus b. Now the question is, when I am going to use this formula or when I am going to use this formula. Now suppose the question is given, find a square plus b square if suppose a plus b is equal to 7 and ab is equal to 2. Obviously the information about a plus b and ab is given, so I am going to use this formula because this formula contains the term a plus b and ab. Now the same sum is given, right? Like find a square plus b square if a minus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 3. So now the information about a minus b and ab is given, so we are going to use this formula. So we learned the first 5 formula which we are going to use in the while solving the exercise. So the first formula is a plus b whole square, second one is a minus b whole square, third one is a square minus b square. These two formula, it is the application of a plus b square and a minus b square. So note it down in your copy and memorize this. Moving into next formula is square of a plus b plus c, that is a plus b plus c whole square. So the formula is a square plus b square plus c square. Now how you remember? That means square of the individual term. Then plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That means product of two terms, ab, bc and ca. Now if from the last two terms if you take 2, then the formula will become 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Now you can remember these two expressions, or if you remember these two expressions, so from the last 3 terms you need to take 2, so you get ab plus bc plus ca. Now how we are going to use this formula? So this is the formula of a plus b plus c square. Same formula, but in the first case, this is a normal expansion. In the second case, we'll take 2 common from the last 3 terms. Now, suppose if you need to find out a minus b plus c square. Now, see, the square term will never be negative. So, we write a square plus b square plus c square. Clear? Now, b is negative. So, in this formula, the terms contain b will become negative. So, minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. Because b is negative, so the term containing the linear expression of b will become negative. Same way, if I write a plus b minus c. Now, which term is negative? C. That means in the original formula where c is there. Now see, these 2 terms contain c, linear term of c. So these 2 will become negative. So we write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Now, if it is given like a minus b minus c square. Now, in this case, you need to remember b and c are negative. So, where b and c occur together or multiply together, this will be positive. ab and ac will be negative. Again, I am repeating, here 2 terms are negative. So, now minus b into minus c is equal to plus bc. But if you multiply a into b will be negative, a into c will be. In case of 2 negative terms, we need to remember where these 2 are multiplied together, this will be only positive term. So a square plus b square plus c square. Now see, in any of the formula, this term will remain positive. So we write minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ac. Now see, here b is a linear term associated with a, so it will get negative, and c it will get negative. bc is, both is negative, so the product will be positive. Now, no need to memorize all this formula. When you are doing the sum, with practice you are habitual of all this kind of adjustment, or you know how I am going to use the formula. Moving into the next is a plus b whole cube. Formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now how you remember this formula? Cube of these 2 terms, that is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. In between term contain 3. Now see, here a power is 3. Power reduced by 1, so it will a square. Power reduced further by 1, so it will become a, and then a to the power 0. That is equal to 1. And see, here b is absent, b power 1, b power 2, b power 3. That means a power is decreasing, b power is increasing. Now, this formula can also be written. Now, if I write these 2 terms first, a cube plus b cube. Now, from these 2 terms, I can take 3ab common. So, if I take plus 3ab common, then you will get a plus b. If I take 3ab common, so here the factor left is a. If I take 3ab common, the factor left is b. So 3ab into a plus b. So this is another formula of a plus b whole cube. Now, so a minus b whole cube formula. So if you remember this formula, write all the term a cube, change the sign alternatively. So this is plus, so this is minus 3a square b. This is minus, so next sign will be plus 3ab square. This is plus, so next sign will be minus b cube. Clear? So in this way, if I write these 2 terms first, so a cube minus b cube. From these 2 terms, if I take minus 3ab common, so you will get a minus b. So this is another formula. Next is formula of a cube plus b cube. Now, if I keep these two terms on this side and bring this term on the other side, what you will get? So, you get a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. See, what you did? We take this plus 3ab into a plus b term to the other side. Now, from these two, we can take a plus b common. So, if you take a plus b common, so the factor left here is a plus b square minus 3ab. Clear? Now, expand this one. So, we write a plus b. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Therefore, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus 2ab and minus 3ab. It is equal to minus ab plus b square. So, this is the formula of a cube plus b cube, and this formula is known as the factor formula. Factor formula of a cube plus b cube. So, same way, if I write the formula of a cube minus b cube, then the formula will be a minus b. This plus change to minus. Square term will always be positive in all of the cases. So, plus ab plus b square. Clear? Note down all the formula, and I advise you to memorize it, practice it, write the formula 2 times, 3 times so that you learn all the formula. Now, moving into the last formula of this chapter, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to product of the linear term, sum of the linear term, that is a plus b plus c multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So, if you remember the formula of a plus b plus c whole square, in that way you can remember the second term is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now, if this formula is going to use very frequently, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then this part will become 0. Because you are multiplying 0 into some number, some terms, so it will be 0. So, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. So, where we get one condition that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So, these are all the formula we are going to use. Now, I'll take few sums based on this formula and I'm going to teach you how we are going to apply this formula. Let us discuss these two problems. 1 by 2x plus 2 by 3 into y square. So, for your convenience, you can write this as x by 2 plus 2y by 3 square. Clear? Because 1 by 2x can be written as x by 2. Clear? So, it will help you, you will not get confused with the terms given here. So, which formula we are going to apply? So, first thing you need to identify the formula which you are going to use. So, it is the form of a plus b square. If you consider a is equal to x by 2, b is equal to 2y by 3. So, here we are going to apply the formula a plus b square. So, formula is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square So we are going to apply the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we simplify. So x by 2 square. So x by 2 square means x by 2 into x by 2. So this will be equal to x square by 4 plus. Now these two and these two will get cancelled. So we will get 2xy by b plus 2y by 3 square. That means 2y by 3 into 2y by 3. That is 4y square by 9. 2y by 3, I am showing the calculation here. 2y by 3. So 2 into 2, 4. Y into y square. 3 into 3, 9. So you will get 4y square by 9. Clear? Let us take this example. Again, a plus b square. So we are going to use the formula of a plus b square. So a square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into 3x square y into b. 2 into a into b plus b square, that is 5z square. Now if you simplify 3x square y whole square, so 3 3 square means 9, x square of x square, that is equal to x raised to 4. Which formula I am going to use here? A raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. You learned in the exponent part in your previous classes. So square of x square is x raised to 4, then y square. Clear? Plus multiply the numerical coefficient first. 3 into 2, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 5, 30. So 30 x square yz. X square yz. Plus 5z square. 5 square means 25 z square. So we expand the term 3x square y plus 5z square. Clear? Let us discuss this problem. So first I write the term 1 by 2 into x as x by 2, 3 by 2 into y as 3y by 2 square. Clear? Now here I am going to apply the formula of a minus b square. The formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So apply the formula. So a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Clear? We are applying the formula a minus b square is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So x by 2 square means x square by 4 minus these two and these two will get cancelled. So we will get 3xy by 2 plus 3 square 9 y square by 2 square means 4. Clear? So identify the formula and apply the formula. Now let us take another example. X plus 3 multiplied by x minus 5. So if you learn these identities, I hope you know this identity, x into x plus a into x plus b, it is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So now if you compare our sums with this identity, then A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 5. So we write, therefore this is equal to x square plus A plus B, that is 3 plus of minus, so it will be minus 5, x plus 3 into minus 5. This part I am again explaining, this is A plus B. So if you write A is equal to 3 plus B is equal to minus 5. So plus minus minus, so this is equal to 3 minus 5. So if you simplify x square, 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2x, 3 5 is 15 plus minus minus. So the result is x square minus 2x minus 15. Clear? Moving on to the next problem. Expand 2x minus 3y plus 4z square. We need to expand 2x minus 3y plus 4z square. Here we are going to use the formula a plus b plus c square. So formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So if you compare with a, b and c, you will get a is equal to 2x, b is equal to minus 3y and c is equal to 4z. Clear? Now substitute the value of a, b, c in the formula. So what you will get? 2x minus 3y plus 4z square is equal to a square. A square means 2x square plus b square. B square means minus 3y square plus c square, that is 4z square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into 2x into minus 3y. Clear? As per the formula, we are comparing with the formula and substituting the value of ABC. Then 2BC, so 2B is equal to minus 3y. So here we write minus 3y and C is equal to 4z. So you write 4z plus 2CA. C is equal to 4z and A is equal to 2x. Clear? So see, so first is whenever the term is given, you just compare with the formula a plus b plus c square and compare the terms. So here a is equal to 2x, b is equal to minus 3y and c is equal to 4z. And then a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we simplify. 2x square, that is equal to 4x square minus 3y square. So minus 3y into minus 3y, it is equal to 9y square. So we write plus 9y square plus 4z square means this is equal to 16z square plus now if you multiply these three terms, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, minus 12, so plus minus minus 12 x into y, again plus minus minus 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24 yz, 2 4 is 8, 8 2 is 16, so plus 16 xz. So this is the expansion of the given sum. So in each problem you need to compare a plus b plus c whole square and then compare the value what is a, b and c and apply the formula. Now, let us take the another example. We need to expand 3x plus 1 by x to the power 3. So here, which formula we are going to use? We are going to use a plus b to the power 3. So formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula. So for us, this is act as a and this is act as a b. So a cube, that means 3x cube plus 3a square, that is 3x square, into b, that is into 1 by x. Clear? Plus 3a b square, that is 1 by x square, plus b cube, that is 1 by x cube. Now, we simplify 3x cube, that means 3x multiplied by 3x multiplied by 3x. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 x cube. Now, next term is 3 multiplied by 3x square, that is 3x into 3x into 1 by x. Now see, 1x and 1x will get cancelled. So 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27x. So you get 27x plus. Moving into the next term, 3 into 3x into 1 by x square. So you will get 1 by x into 1 by x. So x will get cancelled. 3 3 are 9 by x. So you get 9 by x plus 1 by x cube. So this is 1 cube means 1 x cube. So this is the expansion of this formula. Now, if you consider the another sum like 2x minus 1 by 3y to the power 3. So here we are going to apply the a minus b cube formula. So a minus b cube formula, when I was explaining the formula, I told you all the terms remain the same. That is a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. Sign will change alternatively. So this is plus, so this is minus, so this is plus and this is minus. So this is the formula of a minus b whole cube. So if you apply the formula, so this will be a and this will be b. So a cube means 2x cube minus 3a square into b. B is equal to 1 by 3y plus 3 ab square. So a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1 by 3y square. Clear? And then minus b cube, that is 1 by 3y cube. So now we simplify 2x cube. 2x cube means 2x multiplied by 2x multiplied by 2x. So you will get 2 cube means 8x cube. Clear? Now see, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. 2x square means minus 4x square by y. Now we simplify this term. So see, 3 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1 by 3y. So 1 by 3y into 1 by 3y, because this is 3y square. So 1 3 and 1 3 will get cancelled. So we will get 2x by 3y square. So here we write plus 2x by 3y square minus 1 cube means 1, 3y cube means 27y cube. Now, moving into the next set of problem, we need to apply and simplify the term. So, simplify, let us take this example first. So, here we are going to apply the formula of a minus b, a plus b square and a minus b square. So, formula of a plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus formula of a minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Student, always use the bracket. So, if you use the bracket, you can easily avoid your error. So, this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Outside sign is negative. So, when the outside sign is negative, so all the term within the bracket will change its sign. So, this will be minus a square, minus 2ab become plus 2ab, plus b square will become minus b square. Now see, plus a square minus a square cancel, plus b square minus b square cancel. So, plus 2ab plus 2ab, this is equal to 4ab. Let us take this sum. I hope you understand this sum. Same way we are going to solve this one. So, first I am going to apply the formula a plus b whole square, a minus b square. So, a plus b whole square means a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Clear? Here we are going to apply the minus formula. So, a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Here we are using the formula a plus b square, and here we are using the formula a minus b square. So, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, this a and a will get cancelled, this a and this a will get cancelled. Now, we open the bracket. So, a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. Minus sign is there outside the bracket. So, it will become minus a square minus 2 and this minus. So, it will become plus 2 and plus minus minus 1 by a square. Plus a square minus a square cancel. Plus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square cancel. 2 plus 2, it is equal to 4. Clear? So, you can apply the formula and simplify. Special attention you will give when there is a minus sign. So, you change the sign accordingly. Now, let us discuss few more problems. This problem, here we need to apply the formula of a minus b square. Here we are going to apply the formula of a minus b square, and these two terms we are going to multiply. Clear? So, formula is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Here we are using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square minus of. Now, multiply these two. So, 3x into 3x is equal to 9x square. Now, multiply 3x into 1. So, it will be plus 3x. Then multiply minus 2 into 3x. So, it will be equal to minus 6x. Minus 2 plus 1. This is equal to minus 2. Clear? Or I'll show you the calculation, otherwise also 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1. So first we'll multiply 3x with 3x plus 1 and minus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1. You can multiply in this way also. Here this will be plus 1. Now if you multiply 3x into 3x, 9x square plus 3x minus 6x minus 2. So whatever way you are comfortable, if you are directly multiply you can, or if you use the distributive law and then multiply, then also you can. So this is equal to 9x square, 3x whole square means 9x square minus 6x plus 1. Now if you open up this bracket, so it will become minus 9x square plus minus minus 3x minus minus plus 6x minus minus plus 2. Now say minus 9x square and plus 9x square cancel, minus 6x plus 6x cancel. So the term left is minus 3x, so we write here minus 3x plus 1 plus 2, that is plus 3. So this is your answer. Moving into the next problem, 2x, 3 by x, 3 by x. So if you consider 2x as a and 3 by x as b, so this is a minus b and this will be a plus b. So formula of a minus b multiplied by a plus b, formula is a square minus b square. So if you apply this formula, so you can write 2x square minus 3 by x square. Clear? A minus b and a plus b. So 2x square means 4x square minus 9 by x square. Now let us discuss these two problems. First, now here what we do, we rearrange the term. That is, we are writing 3x minus 5 plus y and 3x minus 5 minus y. 3x plus y minus 5, 3x minus y minus 5. So we keep these two terms together and then we are writing plus y. These two terms together and then we are writing minus 5. The basic is, if you rearrange the term, then it is equal to a plus b and a minus b. You can apply the formula of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So first look at the sum very carefully, understand which formula you are going to apply. If you directly apply, you cannot apply any one the formula. Clear? You need to multiply. So this is equal to 3x minus 5 square minus y square. A square, this is for us, this is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. Clear? So now if you apply the formula, so a square, so 3x square minus 2 into a into b plus b square minus y square. So this is equal to 9x square, 3 2 ja 6, 5 ja 30. So minus 30x plus 25 minus y square. Clear? Now if you look at this sum, 2x minus y 2x minus y plus 3 minus 3. So just we need to, before we apply the formula, rearrange the term. So we write 2x minus 3 plus 3, and here we can write 2x minus y minus 3. A plus b into a minus b. So this is equal to a square, that is 2x minus y square minus b square, 3 square. Now apply the formula a minus b square. So this is equal to a square minus 2ab. So that is 2 into 2x into y plus b square. So plus y square minus 3 square means minus 9. Now if just simplify the term, so it is equal to 4x square, 2x square means 4x square, 2 to the 4, x into y plus y square minus 9. I hope it is clear to you. Let us take these two sums. Now if you see this sum, 2p plus 3q multiplied by 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. 2p square is equal to 4p square. 3q square is 9q square. And this term is a product of these two. Clear? What is the 2p square? That is equal to 4p square. Square of 3q is 9q square, and product of 2p into 3q is equal to 6pq. That means if you consider this 2p as a and 3q as b, so we'll get a plus b. I am considering 2p as a and 3q as b. So a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square. Clear? So this is the formula of a cube plus b cube. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. Clear? So here we can write, so for us we just rearrange the term, we write it as 2p plus 3q, 2p square minus 2p into 3q, and here we write plus 3q square. So a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So this will be equal to a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, that is 2p cube plus cube of 3q. So this will be equal to 8p cube plus 27q cube. Moving into the next problem, a minus b. So see, this is the square of x. This term is the square of 3 by x, and this 3 is actually the product of these two. So we are going to apply the formula a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So this is equal to a cube minus b cube. So first, before we going to apply the formula, rearrange the term as given in the formula. So we write x minus 3 by x, then a square, then it is a product of two terms, so x into 3 by x plus 3 by x square. So we arrange the term as given in the formula. So this will be equal to a cube minus b cube So this will be equal to x cube minus 27 by x cube. Clear? Now let us discuss the next problem. Find the coefficient of x square and x. That means we need to find out the coefficient of x square and x in the product of these three. So first we are going to multiply these three terms. So x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 7 multiplied by x minus 4. So first let us multiply these two terms. So if you multiply these two terms, so x into x plus 7 minus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. We are multiplying x with this entire binomial and 3 with the entire binomial. And let this term be. First we multiply these two. Once we get the result of this multiplication, then we are going to multiply with x minus 4. So x into x, x square plus 7x minus 3x plus minus 21 x minus 4. So let us simplify this term. So this will be equal to x square minus plus 7x minus 3x is equal to plus 4x minus 21 multiplied by x minus 4. So this is the product of these two terms, and then we are going to multiply these two. So if you multiply, we write x square, that means same way x square multiplied by x minus 4 plus 4x multiplied by x minus 4 minus 21 multiplied by x minus 4. So this will be equal to x square into x, this is equal to x cube, this is equal to minus 4x square, 4x into x, so this is equal to plus 4x square, 4x into 4, so minus 16x, minus 21x plus 84, 21 into 4, so minus x square plus x square cancel, so if you write, so this will be x cube, minus 16x minus 21x, this is equal to minus 37x plus 84. Now see, here x square term is absent. So absent, so we write coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Clear? Because you can write this as x cube plus 0 into x square minus 37, or write like this, 37x plus 84. And what is the coefficient of x? This is equal to minus 37. Clear? So first multiply and then you need to check the coefficient of x square and x. Now moving into the next problem. If a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0, prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. So first we write the given condition. So we are writing a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0. Clear? Now if you see a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. So there are two ways we can do this sum. So first method, we are going to use the formula that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, it implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So if you are going to use this, so I can say since a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0, then I can say it implies cube of first term plus cube of second term plus cube of third term is equal to 3 into a into b into 2c. It implies a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. Simple. Is it clear to you? Just I am writing the formula and applying it in my sum. The second method which I am going to discuss with you, first cube is there, a cube plus b cube plus 8. So a plus b can be written as is equal to minus 2c. I am taking this minus 2c term on the other side. So plus 2c will become minus 2c. Now I am going to apply cubing both sides. That means a plus b to the power 3 is equal to minus 2c to the power 3. So let us apply the formula of a cube, a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to minus 2c cube. So minus 2c multiplied by minus 2c. So this is equal to 3 times minus minus plus, plus minus minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 c cube. Now in place of a plus b we write minus 2c. So it implies a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by minus 2c is equal to minus 8c cube. Now let us multiply these two terms. So a cube plus b cube plus minus 6abc is equal to minus 8c cube. Now look at the proof. So we will take this minus 8c cube on this side and we send the 6abc on the other side. So we will get a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6 into ab into c. Clear? So both way you can use the formula. If you are using this one, so you just write the formula for your reference that I am completing this sum or I am going to apply this formula. Clear? Now moving into the next sum. It is given that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then we have to find out the value of a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. Then first what we will do, we have to find out the value of this. So we write a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. Clear? Now in the first term, see bc is given, so we need to multiply numerator and denominator by a. So if you multiply numerator and denominator by a, so it will become a cube by abc. AC, so we need to multiply with b. So b cube by abc plus same way c cube by abc. So if you multiply a fraction, by the same term, if you multiply numerator and denominator by the same term, the fraction remains unchanged. So here we are multiplying numerator, denominator by a, by b and by c. Now if the new denominator is same, so if you add, then you will get a cube plus b cube plus C cube by ABC. If the denominator is same, so in case of addition, simply we need to add numerator. Now A cube plus B cube plus C cube can be write as a 3ABC. How can you write A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC? So here we cite the reason, since A plus B plus C is equal to 0, it implies if this is equal to 0, then the formula says A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So 3ABC by 3ABC cancel, your answer is 3. Clear? Or there is another way you may try. Write the term, take the LCM, LCM will be ABC, and if you simplify, you will get this term. Clear? That way you can try this. Now, moving into the next problem, without actually calculating the cubes, we have to find out the values of minus 28 cube, plus 15 cube, plus 13 cube. So, we are going to use the formula that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC if A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now see, your given sum is like this, A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So first check whether the sum of minus 28 plus 15 plus 13 is equal to 0. Minus 28 plus 28 is equal to 0. So directly we can say that it implies, since sum of A plus B plus C is equal to 0, therefore cube of this is equal to 3 into A, that is minus 28, B, that is equal to 15, and C is equal to 13. Clear? So now multiply this. So if you multiply, you will get 16380. So your answer is minus 16380. So this is the part 1 of this expansion. In the next part, this chapter I divided into 2 parts. In the next part, I am going to discuss some more problem with you. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you.